Hi, I'm Todd Heitkamp, the owner of Dakota Angler here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, with this week's 2-minute fishing report. Well, folks, even though the fall weather has been rather nice to enjoy it temperature-wise, it really hasn't been that favorable for a lot of fishermen with the wind. We've had a lot of windy days this fall, and it continued this past week, and that has definitely affected the number of days we could go out. But guys, the days that did cooperate with all of us, guys had some reasonable good success. Up in the Northeast, those lakes that we've been talking about all summer long continue to produce walleyes, especially bitter and opits. And remember, opits is a 2-man limit over 15 inches in length. Each fish has to be over 15. And then other lakes that produced a few walleyes this past week included Indian Springs as well as the Reeds. Down the Southeast, those lakes seem to be doing a little bit better. Those lakes continue to be Ponset, and a lot of nicer quality walleyes have been caught there of late. And then otherwise, Thompson, Dry, Sinai, 81 ponds, all produced some nice walleyes this past week. Other lakes that produced a few walleyes here and there included Beaver, Vermilion, Twin, as well as Oakwood. Now, what have guys been doing as far as presentations are concerned? A lot of spinners with minnows, even spinners with crawlers, but it seems like everything's switching over to a minnow bite right now. A lot of guys are throwing swim baits as well, and then but it seems like everyone else is going to more of a jig and minnow type of presentation. Now, as far as the perch bite is concerned around the area, again, the wind has definitely affected that perch bite across the area and made it very tough to anchor in many locations. But some lakes that produce perch this week include Indian Springs is big and Big Stone. Those lakes up in the Northeast hit and miss. Other lakes included Ponson. That again, you get on top of the school and you're going to catch a limit in a short period of time. Other lakes included Dry, Thompson, Sinai, Twin, South Island, and then Madison. And those last two lakes kind of hit and miss, and a little bit smaller fish there as well. What have guys been using? A lot of tungsten jigs, a lot of drop chain jigs like the Haley as well as the Pilkey. And then other things as far as live bait is concerned, a lot of guys were using small minnows, and then wax worms as well as maggots. In this version of Todd's Tackle Tips, we're going to talk about what is new for the upcoming ice fishing season as far as tackle is concerned. My boys and I just got back from a number of tackle shows, and folks, there is a lot of new tackle coming out for this upcoming ice fishing season that I think we're all excited about, and I think all of you will be as well once you see them. Some of those that we're going to talk about today include the from Acme, the Hyperglide, as well as the Rattle Castmaster. Both of those I think are going to be used quite a bit around here in the eastern Dakotas. Then also from Northland, the Bro Bling jig is going to be very popular. And then also new colors in the Macho Minnows, the new UV colors. And then also there's going to be new colors in the Ripping Shads. Again, the Ripping Shads have been popular in years past. Now you have new colors. And then from Rapala, you're going to have the Slab Wrap that's already been out and continues to be very popular. But then also new UV colors, new colors in the Ultralight Rip and Wrap series. Plus, folks, we're going to have 3 new custom colors only here at Dakota Angler that you can only find and only see at the 8th Annual Dakota Angler Ice Institute on November 4th and 5th. New custom colors from the Rip and Wraps and the Ultralight series at the Institute, so make sure you mark your calendars. Plus, there's going to be much, much more. All this new tackle is going to be available and that you can be seen and bought at the 8th Annual Dakota Angler Ice Institute on November 4th and 5th. So make sure you're there, mark your calendars. It's only 3 weeks away. Now it's time to take a look at a few photos that you sent in to me this past week. And remember, folks, if you'd like your photo included in next week's version of the 2-Minute Fishing Report, please send it to me. Send it to todd@dakotaangler.com or post it to our Facebook wall. And if I use your photo, your name will be entered into a monthly drawing for a $25 gift certificate. And before we end this week's report, folks, I want to remind you of our ongoing open water sales. We still have a few weeks remaining the rods as well as the trolling motors and everything else open water will be on sale. So stop on by and take a look. Because our inventory is changing day by day, and what I'm referring to is the ice fishing inventory. We are getting shipments day after day after day, so stop on by here at the store and check out what remains for open water and what is new for the upcoming ice fishing season, because folks, it's only a few weeks away until the 8th Annual Dakota Angler Ice Institute, November 4th and 5th. If you haven't got your tickets now, make sure you get them rather soon, whether or not you stop by here at the store or go to our website at dakotaangler.com. But also you can get them at the door of the day of the event. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to give us a call at 605-336-9132. Well, folks, that's this week's version of the 2-Minute Fishing Report. For Dakota Angler, I'm the owner, Todd Heitkamp, and as we say around here, fish on! We'll see you next time, and again, thanks for watching.